औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। Dear students, welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Dear students, today let us discuss one mark questions and fill in the blanks in the lesson India's relationship with other countries. First, we will discuss the fill in the blanks. First one is the relationship with dash was strengthened with Panchashila principle. Answer is India and China. Second blank, international peace and cooperation is discussed in the dash article of our constitution. Answer is 51. In 1962, dash invaded our country. Answer is China. Now, one mark question we will discuss, children. First one is, by which country's effort BRICS group of countries has been established? Answer, by efforts of India and China. Next one, in 1971, which countries signed an agreement of 20 years for peace and cooperation? Answer is India and USSR, that is Russia. Third one, who had supported for the establishment of Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants? Answer is Russia. Question number 4. Which country has extended its support to India's quest for permanent seat in the UN Security Council? Answer is Russia. Next question, children. Which part and article of the Constitution explained international peace and coexistence? Answer is part 4th and article number 51. Question number 6. Mention the big country which bordered India. Answer, China. Question number 7. Which book mentioned the silk trade between India and China? Answer is Kautilya's Arthashastra. Question number 8. Which countries have the highest population in the world? Answer, China and India. Question number 9. Which is the largest development that strengthened the relationship between India and China? Answer, formation of BRICS group of countries. Next question, children. List out the steel plants established in India by the support of Russia. Answer, Bhilai steel plant and Bokaro steel plants. Question number 11. Which has the two biggest democratic countries of the world? Answer, India and USA. Question number 12. Which are the two political parties of USA? Answer, Democratic and Republican parties. Question number 13. Which historical agreement is signed between India and Pakistan? Answer, Tashkent Agreement in the year 1966. Question number 14. Who mediated the Tashkent Agreement? Answer, Russia. Question number 15. On which issue India and Pakistan have clashed over the year? Answer, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, children. What is the effect of Indo-Pak War of 1971? Answer, creation of Bangladesh. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallahu Khaira. Have a nice day.